Hello Ross, Mike, Burton Caravan Centre. Just doing the handover for your Swift Freestyle Major 6, and I'll just start on the outside near side of the caravan. To the rear of the caravan we've got the cassette toilet and we've got the freshwater flush. So you fill this with fresh water and you can add a pink fragrance to there as per the instructions on the bottle. Close that and use the key to lock that. To remove the cassette, you squeeze the orange handle vertical and you pull the cassette out. Turn the spout through 90 degrees, unscrew the cap and empty the contents. Refill with blue chemical back through the spout as per the instructions on the bottle. Slide it back in, making sure that's dropped back into there. Close that and you can use a key to lock it. These are your outlets for your grey water, and I've got some grey pipes in the front of the locker that connect into the Wastemaster. And they just close up like so. Leisure battery fitted to the caravan, and the mains lead is there connected also. Aqua roll for fresh water to come into the caravan, and the water pump and hose here, which is connected via this little blue lever underneath here. So squeeze the lever and just give that a pull and that comes out. And to reconnect it, just click it back in as you hear it there. Make sure the pump is submerged in the water. Nice and straightforward. Gas bottle in the caravan. Gas hose, which is connected up to the regulator. Gas bottle unscrew at the top to let the gas out. There's your grey waste hose, mains lead and hitch lock. So let's step inside the caravan, and first of all I've lifted the front cushions on the front right hand side of the caravan. Let's let that focus in a second. There we go. And firstly, down here we have this yellow toggle here, which lets the water into the caravan. So it lies in the horizontal position, which is normal operation, and winter frost protection drain down. You flick it vertical and you can hear there it's dumping the water out of the caravan. So you'd leave that in the up position for winter, down for normal operation. Moving across here, we've got a bank of 12 volt fuses, and they're all numbered in there. And also we have a set of 240 volt trips, okay, and a reset. We've got heating hot water charger, and we've got system shutdown, so you can press that and that completely kills all the power into the caravan if you need to. I've dropped down the seat front flap there, and listed there are all the 12 volt fuses and what they are protecting, and also what the 240 volt trips are protecting as well. When you come into the caravan, above the door we've got the Swift command system here, which brings power into the caravan. So you press that and that brings the power into the caravan. Press the water pump so that the pump will then start drawing water in from the aqua roll. If you want to check the condition of your leisure battery, you can just press that one there, nice and straightforward. Right, we've got the Truma system here for heating hot water, and press the black circle button there, and the first one that flashes is the caravan. Okay, press it again. That's the temperature inside the caravan, 24-30 degrees. Keep turning the dial. It's quite warm in here, so down to say 13. Press it again, then turn the dial one increment there. Hot water's flashing. You can have it on hot, eco or off. It's on hot at the moment. You can put it on boost. That's when you first arrive on site and you quickly want hot water, you put it on boost. Once it's warmed up, you turn it then back to hot or eco. Okay, then you've got a gas cylinder and electricity flashing. Press the button again. You can have electricity 2 or electricity 1. Basically, some sites give you 16 amps of power, some only give you 10 amps of power depending on what the site is. So you have to fluctuate between the 2 or the 1. We've got plenty of power here, so we're on 2. Also, you can keep turning the dial there. You can have a mixture of gas and electric 2 and 1. So it automatically draws gas and electricity. So again, the 2 and the 1 is relevant to the power of electricity on the site. And finally, you can just have it purely on gas. If there's no electricity at all, you can run it on gas. So we'll go back to electricity 2, that's fine. And finally the last one is the fan, which blows the hot air through the caravan. You can have that on eco or you can have it on high. Okay, so that's the heating system, very straightforward. You should have hot water coming out the taps now. That's been on for about 15-20 minutes. Yep, that's coming through just nice, that's all fine. As for the hob, the grill and the oven, one igniter does all here. So to light one of the hobs, you push, turn and press it in, hold it in, ignite, hold it in for 3 or 4 seconds, then let go of the dial. That's 2 lit. There we go, that's all 3 of those working as it should. Just like the grill. Perfect, it's all good. Finally the oven. Superb. All good. If there is any retention of heat in these hobs at all, please don't put the glass lid down until that's totally cooled, because that will shatter into a million pieces. And then we've got the fridge. This is the power on button for the fridge. Press and hold that and that powers the fridge up. Press the grey button there and that's it, the electricity is flashing. You can press the arrow, you can put it onto battery. That's the vehicle battery, so if you're towing the caravan and you want the fridge on, you need to put it onto that symbol there, or you can have it on gas, or we can go back to electricity as they are. Press the button again, the flashing temperature there. You can raise or lower the temperature in the fridge. So there we go, it's full power. Just check the cool box there, that's been on for a little while now. Yeah, that's nice and cold in there, so that's working all as it should. So finally into the bathroom, we've got electric flush on the top of the cassette toilet. The toilet does swivel, it's meant to swivel, and underneath there is a slide valve that empties the contents into the cassette below. Got hot water coming in the vanity unit. I'm not going to put the shower on because it's all been cleaned out, it's ready to go. So there we are, your fairway is all ready for collection, and I look forward to seeing you when you collect your caravan.